If CapCut keeps crashing on your device, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes that can help get it running smoothly again. We'll clear the cache, adjust performance settings, and make sure you're using the latest version of the app. These steps are simple, fast, and can fix a lot of common crashing issues without needing advanced troubleshooting. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips and fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and go into Settings. Once you're inside the Settings menu, look for the Cache section. You should see the cache size listed there. If CapCut has been slowing down or crashing, a crowded cache can often be part of the problem. Click the trash icon next to the cache size, and then clear it completely. This removes temporary files that may be causing the app to freeze, lag, or shut down unexpectedly. After clearing the cache, give CapCut a moment to reload and check if the issue improves. If it still crashes, the next thing to do is adjust the performance settings. Go back into Settings and open the Performance tab. Here, you'll find options like Speed Up Hardware Encoding and Speed Up Hardware Decoding. In many cases, turning these on can improve performance and reduce crashing because CapCut can use your system hardware more efficiently. Check both boxes if they're available, then test the app again. However, if your computer is using an older GPU, these same settings could actually cause instability instead of fixing it. In that case, try toggling them off and see whether CapCut becomes more stable. Sometimes the best setting depends on your device, so it's worth testing both ways if needed. Now, if CapCut is still crashing after that, the next step is to make sure you're running the latest version. Look for the update icon inside the app and click it if an update is available. Updates often include bug fixes, performance improvements, and compatibility patches that can solve crashing problems right away. If updating doesn't help, you may also want to uninstall and reinstall CapCut to make sure the app installation is clean and not corrupted. A fresh install can often fix stubborn issues that cache clearing alone can't resolve. Once you've gone through these steps, restart CapCut and try opening your project again. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the crashing issue, or at least reduce it significantly. And if this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick troubleshooting guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.